Hello guys, I'm just gonna review. I was waiting for this to arrive in the mail so I can record, so I'm gonna open it. Just gonna use the scissors very carefully so I don't damage what's inside, and I'm pretty sure you've been waiting for this. Just trying to open it. Got it open. Now it's wrapped in some kind of newspaper. Now here it is. It's the Light and Sound Human Torch padraig from the Fantastic Four padraig film, which was released the year before I was born. So I'll just zoom in on the camera so you can tell if it looks like Chris Evans or not. To me, it actually does look like Chris Evans, the actor who portrayed him. Now let's go with articulation. The head moves up and down, rotates 360 degrees. Arms rotate 360 degrees, but don't move up and down. Upper shoulder, they rotate here at the shoulder, left and right, and I just want to be very careful. And bend at the elbow, and his fingers open and close. Now, and same with the other arm, same on both arms, same articulation, and he has all these flame parts all over him. And you can pretty much see the Fantastic Four padraig logo beneath one of the flame parts there. And for the legs, the thighs rotate left and right, and rotate at the shins, and his toes move up and down, and he bends at the knee, which is kind of hindered by all these flame pieces. And he has a gimmick here with this button on the back. Just wait a second so I'll close the curtain so you can see it. The lights up, because it'll look better in the dark. Now I'm in darkness, so I'll just... Waha! He lights up! Look at that! And he also comes with this base here, which also has a button here, which you press. It has this here on his back, which I'll just attach him via these two holes. So you can attach him to it and press the button. He says his catchphrase. And lights up as well. Actually speaking, I actually own the movie on DVD in 2 formats. I'll just close the curtain, open the curtains again for brightness. Here is one is a 1-disc edition while the other is a 2-disc special edition. Both variants were released the same year the movie came out in the cinema, the year before I was born. And the difference between the two cases is that the one disc edition has some kind of dark reddish orange brown colour and has a red case, while the two disc special edition has a kind of beauty colour for the sky and house, where the dark reddish orange brown was, and has a clear case instead of a red one. Although, despite the fact I have seen the one disc edition with a clear case instead of a red one, but I think the red one is better for the one disc, while the clear case is better for the two disc special edition. Hope you like my review. Thanks for watching.